So let us ask the Lord today to give us this repentant heart by which we surrender those inner blocks that we have inside us in our confession, so that He can heal us and we can be back again. There's another thing that is said in today's first reading. When you have the gifts that God has given you of laying on of hands and healing people, this is what God has given you. Look at Cupertino. He was stopped from being in public for 35 years. Then the next pope afterwards said, let him come. And his presence was different, sometimes a distraction, but also something that elevated them all. Let us ask God to give us that humility which He had, obedience to God's will, and the outreach to others. Let's join our hands together, close our eyes. And as we breathe, always we are filled with Him. He remains in us. And when we breathe out, we remain in Him. Because it is in Him we live, move, and have our being. Let us offer Him all that we are, because we are each a unique cell in His body, and very important. Let us be our unique selves in Jesus and offer ourselves today with all that we are, so that He can transform us as He will transform this bread and wine into His body and blood. May we become more and more His living presence. Amen.